Hello and welcome to this CSU Learn tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search for EH&S trainings on CSU Learn. At the homepage, select the library icon on the left side of the screen, and then on the secondary menu that appears, select Campus Custom Content. There, you will be able to scroll down and see the list of all EH&S curricula available. Or at the search box at the top of the Campus Custom Content page, you can type and search the name of a specific curriculum. To register or access a curriculum, select the training curriculum you've picked and select the Register button on the right side of the screen. Then, you will be able to start the training curriculum by selecting Start Activity, or you can also select any specific part of the training from the sections displayed and click on Select, which will allow to access that part of the training. But remember, you will only get credit for the training curriculum after completing all parts.